We're Kevin Chris Waterhouse.
And we are Travelling Australia.
We're so glad you can join us on our adventures. Living the dream. We've travelled from Port Hedland out to Karajini National Park. This is Fortescue Falls in Karajini. It's pretty impressive.
There's a lot of steps here to go down. The worst thing of all is we've got to come back up.
I think there is a walk track down the bottom. Karajini is the second largest national park in Western Australia. It covers more than 620,000 hectares.
The walk along the bottom of the gorge is pretty challenging at times, but it's pretty spectacular too.
It's incredible how nature can produce something as beautiful as this. The water just cascading down all the different layers of rock into a nice little swimming hole at the bottom. We're making our way down to another swimming hole. The track can get a bit narrow in places. It really makes you wonder, how can this happen? How's this formed like this? This one's unreal. You can even see the colours in the different layers of the rock. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button. And we really love to hear your comments. Let us know what you think of our videos, and if you like them, don't forget to tell your friends. All these walking trails are marked really well. You'll see the little discs. This one's yellow, and it even tells you what class the walk is, so you need to know what level fitness you're at. Well, this is the pool at the end of the walk. Time for a bit of a cool off swim. After a nice swim, it's time to head back. I just can't get over this one. Alright, so we'll head back towards Port Hedland and then continue on further down the coast.
Another one of the ore trains, fully loaded, heading back towards Port Hedland. Can't even see the end of it. Must be a couple of k's long. Our next stop is Point Samson. Well, we'd go in here for a few days. I need to get some washing done. I'll have a look around, maybe go for a fish, see what happens.
Well, this place turned out to be a real gem. Definitely one we'll remember. Pretty popular with a lot of the miners that come down from Port Hedlands for a long weekend or when they have their time off.
Well, the washing's done, so it's time to get the boat in.
We hadn't gotten too far from the boat ramp. We came across a huge school of baitfish. It just turned into a giant feeding frenzy for everything.
Oh, see that fin? That was a shark. There, look. It's there.
Good feed.
Oh, I hope it's not another shark.
Even with the drag locked up full, I had to use my thumb to try and slow this fish down and turn it.
Holy dooly, love, he's just taking you.
He's a big fish, whatever it is.
Whatever it is, it's big.
I think I got him. Stoned.
Come on.
There he is over there.
Oh, there he is, all right.
I don't know what it is.
No,
I'm a little bit concerned.
it might be a shark.
It is a shark.
Oh.
Might not be. That's a big king.
Oh, jeez. You want me to, I'll put this down, shall I?
That's all right. I'm only going to probably release him anyway.
Oh, he's big.
He's bigger, right?
Where is he? There he is.
Jesus.
All right then. Holy
right. Hang on.
And then I want your phone too. Come on.
Now that is a fish.
Holy
It's a
dooly.
cobia, black kingfish.
Black kingfish.
Oh, it's a beauty.
We thought we'd visit the historic ghost town of Cossack, the original port of pearls before the luggers moved north to Broome. The area was known for gold prospecting, and it was a port for the pastoralists until the jetty was built at Point Samson. The town was dissolved in 1910 and abandoned in 1950. This is a good vantage point to see Jarman Island and the lighthouse. If we get a nice calm day tomorrow, we might take the tinny out there for an explore.
Couldn't ask for a better day than this.
So this is Jarman Island. We'll have a look. The lighthouse and the lighthouse keeper's cottage was built by prisoners from Roebourne Jail in 1888. Amazing.
Well, this is the only room that's still got a roof on. She's seen better days though.
Apparently there was 2 lighthouse keepers employed on this island at one time because the lamp in the lighthouse had to be wound every 2 hours.
Must have been the ensuite. Well-worn track up to the lighthouse. What a view. Can't wait to see what it looks like from up top.
Wow, what a great view.
Not the best footwear choice for exploring spiral staircases with narrow little steps. That must be the outhouse. I know what that one's built like.
The Jarman Island Lighthouse was built in 1888, like I said, but it was restored in 2003.
with conditions like this. I just couldn't resist flicking a popper just around a few of the bombies. I've never heard of this before.
Oh my gosh.
I've just hooked up 2 trevally on a single popper. Now that is weird.
Oh my gosh. That's amazing. 2 on the one.
Well, that's worthy of a photo.
Okay.
Nice mackerel. Big mackerel.
Don't swear. Oh, nice.
Come here.
Oh, good shot.
Oh, gaff shot
Jesus.
of the century. How's that for a gaff shot?
Hang on. I've got this on still.
Look at that for a mackerel. What a ripper. We got a couple of nice mackerel. So just going to knock the fillets off. We should be able to give away a few feeds today, I reckon. There'll be a few happy campers in here. A good sized fish. There's a small rest area just outside of Point Samson, and they have on display here a few of the icons of the area. This ship's anchor is off a bulk iron ore carrier. It weighs over 12 tonnes. You can see firsthand just the size of some of this equipment. We've turned off the highway. We're heading out to a place called Cleaverville. We're planning on spending a few days camping here.